What does it mean to be human? How did we get here? Evolution is the process of change over time, shaping every living being, including us. The story of human evolution spans millions of years, beginning with our primate ancestors and culminating in modern Homo sapiens. In this journey, we will explore the key milestones that shaped our species and made us who we are today. Our story begins around 25 to 30 million years ago, when the first primates evolved. These early primates lived in trees, developing opposable thumbs, binocular vision, and complex social behaviors, traits still present in humans today. Over time, some primates evolved into great apes, our closest living relatives. But a crucial split was coming, one that would set our ancestors on a very different path. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, our lineage split from chimpanzees, marking the rise of the first hominins, our direct ancestors. Among them were Sahelanthropus and Ardipithecus, who took the first steps toward walking upright. Bipedalism, or walking on two legs, was a game changer, freeing our hands for tools and increasing survival advantages. Fast forward to 3 to 4 million years ago, and we meet Australopithecus afarensis, best known from the fossil Lucy. These early hominins had both ape-like and human-like features, long arms for climbing, but legs designed for walking. Though their brains were still small, they paved the way for a major leap in human evolution. Around 2.8 million years ago, the first members of the Homo genus appeared. Homo habilis, or handyman, was the first known species to craft simple stone tools. Then came Homo erectus, a true pioneer. Around 1.9 million years ago, this species became the first to control fire, migrate out of Africa, and develop more advanced tools. Their intelligence and adaptability made them one of the most successful hominins in history. As early humans evolved, so did their brain size and problem-solving skills. Acheulean tools, such as hand axes, were far more advanced than earlier Oldowan tools. These technological leaps allowed our ancestors to hunt more efficiently, process food, and survive in different environments. By 1.5 million years ago, Homo erectus had spread across Africa, Asia, and Europe. Fossils like Java man and Peking man show how adaptable they were. Later, around 300,000 to 100,000 years ago, early Homo sapiens began migrating out of Africa, spreading across the globe. This marks the beginning of our species' dominance. But we were not alone. In Europe and Asia, early humans encountered Neanderthals and Denisovans, our close relatives. These groups were intelligent, using tools and even creating art. However, over time, they disappeared, likely due to competition, climate changes, and interbreeding with Homo sapiens. Today, traces of Neanderthal and Denisovan DNA remain in many modern human populations. By 200,000 years ago, fully modern Homo sapiens had evolved. With a high forehead, smaller brow ridges, and a complex brain, we had the ability to think abstractly, communicate through language, and develop symbolic culture, seen in early cave paintings and jewelry from around 70,000 years ago. Then came a turning point, the cognitive revolution. Around 70,000 years ago, humans developed advanced communication, planning, and cooperation. This allowed us to form larger societies, innovate, and dominate other hominins. Language, myths, and shared beliefs helped shape the future of humanity. For most of human history, we lived as hunter-gatherers. But around 12,000 years ago, everything changed. The agricultural revolution led to the domestication of plants and animals, giving rise to permanent settlements, cities, and civilizations. While farming led to population growth and technological advances, it also brought social inequality, disease, and environmental challenges. Today, humans have reshaped the planet. Our bodies have continued to evolve. Some populations developed lactose tolerance, while others adapted to high altitudes or disease resistance. But evolution is not over. With advances in genetics, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology, we may be entering a new phase of evolution, one driven by technology rather than nature. Despite decades of research, human evolution still holds many mysteries. The idea of a missing link is a myth. Evolution is a branching tree, not a straight line. New discoveries, such as hormonality and recent DNA studies, continue to reshape our understanding of where we came from. The story of human evolution is one of adaptation, survival, and transformation. From small tree-dwelling primates to space explorers and AI developers, our journey is far from over. The question is, what comes next? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on EduSynth. Thanks for watching.